today with Cooking with Silas. We're back in our regular clothes now that Halloween's over, and we're getting into some fall festive Thanksgiving spirit with today's recipe, aren't we?
Yummy.
Oh, yummy. Oh, yeah. Today we're making the classic favorite green bean casserole. Easy, simple, and delicious.
It is pretty easy.
Yeah, should we show them what we're going to put in our green bean casserole, Silas? Yeah. Okay. Well, we're going to be using canned green beans. Yeah, you can use fresh ones, but we like to go easy here. We're going to be using cream of mushroom soup. I don't even like mushrooms. The best part about this is it all mixes together. You don't even taste them. Like you can't. We're going to need some pepper, some milk, of course, our crispy fried onions. This is the best part. This is my favorite part. And then because we have a little saying in this house that goes, cheese, why not? We're going to put cheese in ours too. You don't have to. This isn't in the recipe. We just, why not? Why not? Cheese, why not? Shall we get started? All right.
We're excited.
We're going to need before I forget, we preheated our oven already to 350 degrees. 300, say, oh, that's hot. That's hot, huh? Yeah? No? It is no. We're going to mix everything together in the pan, because why not? So first we're going to make our soup. Should we pour our soup in? Can you help me? Let's roll up your sleeves, huh? Yeah. Okay. Yep, we're going to pop it open and then you can pour it out for me, okay? All right. Go ahead, give it a pour. Yeah, get it all out there. Get out of there. Yeah, get out of there. Good job. All right, 1 can of cream of mushroom soup.
Okay.
And we got 2 cans, 2 cans of green beans. I've already opened these and drained them. Okay, so Sai, you can dump that out. Ah! Try again. There you go. Shake, 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 shake. Good job. There's 1 can. Green beans.
Oh. This one.
All right, and 2 cans. Yeah, go ahead. Be careful with these can edges. They're very sharp. Good job. Yay!
Yay! Good job, bud.
Woo, buddy.
Good job. Nice job, Sai.
How's it smell? Okay.
Green bean.
We're going to use 3/4 cup of milk. We have oat milk because that's just what we have in the house. You can use regular milk if that's what you got.
Any kind of milk.
Any kind of milk.
Yeah, we're going to start with that.
All right. Ready? Do you want to put the milk in? Okay, put this one down. And you'll get to stir it in just a second. Ready? Can you hold the cup? Okay. All right, dump it in. Good job.
Good job, bud.
Okay. Now, Dada, can you put in some pepper? It says 1/8 teaspoon. He's just gonna crunch up some pepper. All right. And then Baby Silas. Oh. I almost forgot the most important part. We're gonna need some 2/3. You're actually gonna need 1 cup, 1 1/3 cup of this, but you're gonna split it up. So we're gonna put, oh, I love you.
Because you mix it in and then you put some on top at the end.
So we're gonna put 2/3 cup inside.
Super nice, Bethany, opening that.
Struggling here.
These onions.
Okay.
Wow.
There we go.
Okay.
Let's see. So we need 2/3 cup. Let's find the 1/3. And I'll do it twice. You want to try one of these, Bubba? These are so good. My mom used to put these in our Christmas stockings because one year she found us eating all of them and she decided, well, if they like them that much. So we got French's fried onions in little bags in our Christmas stockings. It's like
that's when the
became
saga
a
began.
tradition. Yeah. You don't like it? Don't tell Grandmommy Vexy that. Okay. Can you dump in our onions? Why don't you? 1. Okay, we need 1 more. I'm not even an onion fan, am I, Mr. Green?
No, not at all.
No. In fact, I hate onions
Quite
normally.
the strange predicament.
But when they're fried like this, how could you hate them? All right, give it a mix. after putting in all our ingredients, we just gotta mix it together. This recipe is so simple.
Yeah.
It's just pouring and mixing. Give it a good old mix. Go ahead, mix it, mix, mix. Stir it up, stir it up. We need some stir it up music. Stir it up, stir it up, stir it up.
All right.
Make sure this is mixed in all together. I feel like our pan may be a little big.
Definitely got a big, I think a little bit too big pan.
See, usually we double this recipe during Thanksgiving. That's why I put it in the big pan, not thinking. Oh, it's Cal. Hi, Cal. Hi, Cal. You gonna eat some green bean casserole? You think we should give some to Cal? Think we should put it in his crucial? You think so? Oh, you like the water?
Mix it all together.
Super simple, but delicious. Should we put it in a different pan?
So we're just gonna pass it out. Right? We have to magic 3 into a new pan.
We have to magic 3 it.
Okay.
I got too big of a pan. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh,
Perfect.
Look at that. That's the
That's so
perfect
fast.
size pan.
Yeah, good job, Si.
Good job.
That's a good magic 3, bud.
Yeah. So
Wow.
now that you've stirred it
Yeah.
all up for us, Silas, where do you think it needs to go? In the oven?
Oven?
Oven.
Awesome.
We're gonna
Cool.
put our green bean casserole in the oven at 350 degrees. You ready, baby Silas? Can you open the oven? We're gonna put it in the oven. Good job. All right, close the oven. Can you turn it on? Boop.
Okay, and how long should we do it for?
We're gonna cook this for 30 minutes. At the 30-minute mark, we're gonna take it out of the oven and sprinkle cheese and the rest of our onions on top.
Oh, perfect.
And then put it in for 5 more minutes.
Oh, okay. Alrighty. Well,
All right.
let's get right to it. Cal, are you excited?
Yay!
He's
I'm
excited.
Are you excited?
Yay!
Yeah, he's excited
Okay.
too. Whoa! Oh, you're having a bit of a swing here, Chef Silas. Oh, winding up the chef. Whoa, you dizzy? Yeah, you dizzy, yeah. It's been 30 minutes, Silas.
Okay, here
Ooh, it's hot. It's hot. We're gonna put some cheese.
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
And
Whoa.
just a little generous sprinkle on the top there. Nice and delicious. And then you're gonna top it off.
Mmm, yummy. All right, then what do we do now, Silas? Back in the oven for 5 more minutes. And then we're almost ready. Oh, Silas, I see you're already on to the main course, but our green bean casserole is done. Do you want to go check it out? No? You really want to figure out this grill situation? Oh, geez, we can't let it burn. Okay, yeah, you want to let it burn? We'll have to intervene. Stir that bun. Looks like we're having floor hot dogs and green bean casserole tonight, huh? Yeah, perfect. All right. All right.
Silas, you ready? Let's get it out. It's time.
It's time.
It's
you
time.
need your chef hat? No.
No chef hats?
Okay.
Okay. Mommy needs to help you because it may be hot.
Okay, ready? Can I use the oven mitt? No. Okay. Maybe just for a second, and then I'll give it back. Okay? Do you want to smell it?
Ooh.
Does it smell good? Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Are we ready? Let's dig in. Give it a little
Give
try.
it a shot.
This is going to be hit or miss here because Silas normally does not eat green beans. We have tried in so many forms. Okay, ready? All right, here we go. Wait, let's try. Here we go.
Try it. Let's give it a taste test. Yeah.
Okay, ready? Here, Dada, you want to try the first bite?
I'll try the first bite.
Dada's going to try.
Oh,
so good, Dada. Okay. You gotta try it, Si. You're the chef. You cooked it.
What do you think, Miss Bethany?
Well, I think it's yummy.
Yeah, I think we did a great
I
job.
think we did.
Bravo!
Well
Bravo,
done.
Silas. Well done. Well
Silas
done.
doesn't even want to try it at the moment, so we'll wait a few minutes.
That's
Give him a
gonna,
few minutes.
you know, it's just how it's gonna
He
go.
needs to do
but-
some puzzling first.
But thanks for joining us today.
Mm-hmm.
Hope yours turned out just as yummy. Or hot. It's still a little hot. You may want to give it some time to cool down.
Give it time to
before,
cool.
take some
Woo!
big bites.
Should we say bye to our friends?
Let's say bye.
Come here, we gotta
say
say
bye.
bye.
See
Come
you
on.
later.
Thanks
Bye.
for joining us. Do you want to try it? Give it a shot. No? You don't like the green beans? Oh, man. This is the first dish we've made that didn't get Silas's Happy Feet approval. Even dipped in ranch, you won't eat the green beans? No? Oh, jeez. Well, Mr. Cameron, do you like the green beans?
The green beans are fantastic.
I enjoy them too.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Sorry, Si. Maybe when you get a little older, you'll enjoy them. Yeah, I know. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.